Okay, hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and Hilda already removed all the things, shampoos, condition, soap from the shower. This is the master bathroom. Right now what she's doing, she's gonna put some paper towel. This is like a Scott racks in a box on the corners. Exactly. This is a really good towel, like heavy duty. Some people call it chiffons towels. She will put it on the corners, and guess what? And for what? Because it's really bad shape, and if I put some Clorox, the chlorine or the gel chlorine is gonna drip, and I have to use more product, and it's gonna take me more time. Instead, this is the technique that we use. I have a couple videos before doing this. I'm gonna put this in the description. I'm gonna put the link, and also on the video on your right side, I'm gonna put another link with another video that I have this technique. In the meantime, I'm gonna go with Monica, that is in the other room. She must be organizing and taking some dirt out from this room. Right now she is spraying deodorizing an antibacterial product. She is using right now, let's see, a Cover Master Junior. The odor is really strong, but this product is a green product. It won't damage the pets or the guinea pig. Just a little bit. And then she's gonna put the fan on. Exactly. Okay? Take out that. Put it away. And now she's gonna vacuum the big pieces. I'm gonna show you something. And this is, no perdes todavía. And this is the vacuum that we use. This is a Protein HEPA vacuum. This is a commercial grade, super coach, HEPA level, really comfortable. And I have different type of hose. This hose is straight, so it's less propense to clog. Okay? And this is the extension that we're gonna use today. It's a big hole, so it won't stuck nothing. Oh, make it run it. All the corners first. This is the first pass. Okay? If you use a regular vacuum, a residential vacuum, you're gonna ruin the vacuum. This house has a vacuum, but they know that a commercial grade vacuum is gonna do more. It's more efficient, and we're gonna do it in less time. Just the corners. Okay, I'm gonna show you the attachments. This is the bottom part of the vacuum. Is a Pro Blade by ProTeam. Okay. Hazlo como una escoba, así, chum, chum. Ah, exactly. There we go. We are gonna remove. We're removing the big pieces before vacuum. Just removing the big pieces. She already opened the window. The room smells much better. This is too big. Put it down a little bit. You can adjust that. And it's like a sweep motion. We don't want to use the other attachment because it's gonna damage my attachment. So let's see how is Hilda right now. Okay? ¿Ya?
¿Le echamos el cloro?
Todavía no.
Aquí no, que este borde está difícil que se quede porque es que tiene una curvita, pero maybe cuando se moja y se le mete el cloro, se queda, se aguanta, ¿ves?
Ok.
Hay que mojarlo primero.
Ya.
Y le subo, ¿verdad?
El Clorox acá no está.
Ah, está ya. Está abajo, déjame cogerlo.
Ya, perfecto. She's taking out the big pieces, and after that we vacuum with the regular attachment. You can vacuum this too. A little water, we have to put water. Big pieces, big pieces. Okay. I don't know how to change this. Okay, and this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I have my protection glove, my glasses, my respirator, because I'm gonna show you how to do the toilets. So the next step is to wet the towel with the chlorine or any mildew cleaner. We use chlorine and let it sit as much as you can. This is the first step. I even wash the walls, nothing, because the heavy part is on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna record the toilet. I'm gonna start taking out all the stuff so I can work it out. I need a space. In the meantime, I can put my pink product, really good, and put the product and let it sit. You can use vinegar but because this is a heavy duty cleaning, I really need to take less time because there is so many things to do in this house. This product won't damage the surface. Just let it sit. Let me go to the other bathroom. In the meantime, Hilda tried to finish the bottom part. You have to let it see the product. The product needs to work. This is why I pay for good products, because the product's gonna do the magic, their work. So, okay. Another thing that I ask Monica is to cleaning and organize this room. She is dusting the blinds. Everything is really dusty. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. But she's gonna take a while in this room. ¿Cómo va? ¿Todo bien?
Sí.
¿Ah?
Sí.
¿El olor está bien?
Sí.
Lo aguanta
Sí.
el towel, ¿no?
Sí.
Vamos a poner este. Okay. What I'm gonna do in this toilet is, this is my bucket with all my cleaning supplies. This is the main important part, heavy duty pumice stone that I talked already about. Lysol. I use Lysol when the toilet is in bad condition, but this is not a bad condition. This is a heavy duty, horrible condition. So I'm gonna use another product that I'm gonna show you. My Ecolab cream cleanser. We already talked about this. And today we're gonna use this. The brush. Okay. I'm gonna use this product today. ZEP Professional Strength High Acid Boil Cleaner. This is only for heavy duty. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Let me pause. Okay. So I have my protection, goggles, glove, and respirator. I'm gonna use this type of brush. This is a special. It's called toilet mop brush. I'm gonna show you why. First of all, you need to put the water down as much as you can. So this is like a mop. The water is down and you squeeze the brush and you put it in your container. I'm gonna use this product just because it's a heavy duty cleaning. And you pour slowly into the bowl, toilet bowl, and you have to let it sit. The key is to have less water and to wait. Let the product work. Again, you open this. And you brush around. This is soft and it will hold the liquid. I don't know if that you can hear me or not. Put it down like, go down. So you can see. Because it's not rough. It's like a sponge that the product will hold and you brush it out. You have to do it so many times depending on the condition of the toilet. And you have to let it sit. On the bottom, you do the same. And you have to let it sit. Let's go out. Don't close. This product is strong. You need to know how to use it. We turn on the vents so it's ventilated and let it sit. We're gonna do the same thing here. Let it sit as much as you can. We already put products, thank you, here, and we're gonna let it sit. In the meantime, we are gonna start doing another thing. There is so many things in this house, so let the product do the job for you, and that's it. Yeah. This is Fiorella from Organic House Cleaning, and if you have any questions, I'm gonna start putting another video. Monica right now is cleaning the edges of the window, really dusty, as you see. And this is a heavy duty deep cleaning. Fiorella from AnyHouseCleaning.com. Thank you.